cURL, Installation and Basics. Comprehensive guide to understanding and installing cURL for data transfer. cURL is a versatile command line tool that facilitates data transfer across different network protocols. It is widely used for testing APIs and downloading files due to its support for multiple protocols, such as HTTP and FTP. cURL functions by leveraging network protocols and URL syntax to execute data transfer tasks. It requires minimal input from users, making it a powerful tool for handling data over the internet. cURL can be installed on various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is often installed using package managers, and users can verify the installation by checking the version with a simple command. The basic syntax for using cURL involves specifying options and a URL. Options allow users to modify the behavior of their requests, and this syntax remains consistent across different platforms. cURL options provide the ability to customize request parameters, such as including headers or data payloads. These options enhance the tool's functionality, offering users greater control over their requests. Basic examples of cURL requests include GET for retrieving data and POST for sending data. These examples illustrate how to effectively use cURL commands in practical scenarios. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.